What's going on, everybody? It's your man, Mr. Allen. And we already know what this is. Once the instrumental beat comes in, that means it's homework help. So we're reviewing 1.5. And then today in class in 1.5, we went over multiplication patterns in which we take out basic facts and powers of 10, and it helps us multiply huge numbers like the ones we see on the screen. So really quickly, let's take out the multiplication fact from this problem. We got 3 times 7. So we're going to take out that fact. So we're going to say, okay, let's go 3 times 7. We already know what that fact is, but Miss Allen's going to go a little bit further. Now we're going to say, okay, well, it's not really 3 times 7. It's 30 times 7,000. So what's the difference? The difference is a lot of zeros, and we're going to represent these zeros as powers of 10. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Count the zeros. There are 4 of them. So guess what? I'm going to say that's 10 to the 4th power, or 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. That's what it really is. So now we solve our problem. We got 3 times 7, which is 21, and times 10 to the 4th power, that's 10,000. So 21 times 10,000 is 210,000. Why? Because it's 21 with 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So that's the hint, and these are the shortcuts in today's lesson. Whenever we use in powers of 10, we can just add those zeros to the end of our basic fact. And our basic fact for the first example was 3 times 7, or 21. So let's go one more example, and then the homework help is finished. Let's say we have 40 times, let's go 50,000. Right? That's a super big number, so let's break it down. 4 times 5. So we're going to go 4 times 5. That's our basic fact as we're looking at it. And then we're going to count the zeros. How many zeros do we have, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to say that's 10 to the 5th power, because the power of 10 it represents how many zeros we're going to have in our problem. So what's 4 times 5? 4 times 5 is 20. And 10 to the 5th power is 100,000. So what is 20 times 100,000? 20 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros behind it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. And what's my answer? 2 million. So this answer is huge. And instead of us doing all of the extra work, we're using mental math, and we're also using powers of 10 to multiply and get our answer. So, any help? Holla at your man, Mr. Allen. Signing off. This is lesson 1.5, homework help, multiplication patterns.